came out for testing and arranged for some track time, everything. We were going to practice some launches with Paul in the car so that he can log the wheel speeds and stuff and set up the traction control a little bit better. And the drive shafts broke immediately. And we didn't even launch, it broke in third gear in a straight line. And the sad story is that these shafts were offered to me as imported higher horsepower, 1000 horsepower shafts. So we swapped it out with the standard stuff and it broke immediately. It's extremely disappointing. And again, you know, what people write on the box doesn't mean actually anything till it survived in the car.